Hello, in this video I want to show you how to use unit coherency in Warhammer Age of Sigmar 4.0. And this always depends on the size of your unit. So if you have up to 6 models, then they count as coherent when there's 1-to-1 model half an inch from each other. So for example, we could place them like this and they would be coherent. Then if you have more or exactly 7 models in that unit, you won't be able to place them like this. They wouldn't be coherent, since if you have 7 or more models in the unit, they need to be half an inch from 2 other models. So you would need to pack them more compactly like this. Then we have 2 models coherent with this one, 2 models from this one, 2 models from this one, and etc. And if, for example, if we would place this one right here, then this model wouldn't be coherent because there's no 2 models half an inch from him. And that's how you use coherency in Age of Sigmar 4.0. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.